If you're a business owner and you carry a general liability policy, it's critical that you list the correct named insured on the policy. Now, this may seem self-explanatory, but in reviewing policies for prospects that send us their existing general liability coverage, we often find that the named insured is listed incorrectly. We also receive incorrect information lots of times about how to list a named insured on a policy. So I want to go over with you a few reasons why it's critical that the named insured is listed properly. Number one, an insurance carrier is going to provide coverage for the listed named insured. But secondly, and what people might not realize is if you're an individual, the named individual and the spouse are covered under the general liability policy. If you're a partnership or a joint venture, the named partnership, the named joint venture, partners, members, and spouses are covered under the general liability policy. If you're a limited liability company, the named LLC, managers, and members are covered under the policy. As an organization, the named entity, the executive officers, which is a defined term on the ISO policy, directors, and stockholders are covered under the organization's policy. And as a trust, the named trust and trustees are covered under the policy. Other automatic insured status pertains to employees, which is also defined as leased workers, not temporary workers, but leased workers, as automatic insureds under the general liability policy. There are others also. I will go into that if you have any additional questions. They probably don't pertain to most, but there's other automatic insureds that fall under the general liability policy. So these are reasons why it's critical that you list the proper named insured on your general liability. Also, other reasons that I will go into in other videos pertains to newly acquired organizations or newly acquired LLCs, partnerships, or joint ventures, and the way that the policies need to be structured and named insureds need to be listed going forward. So if you have any additional questions about listing the proper named insured on your general liability policy, give me a call at 858-384-1507. You can also reach me at mike@foagency.com. Review your policy, look at your declarations page, make sure you have named insured, your first named insured listed properly. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in a video soon.